This will be the end of the day cleaning of your glue system. You'll want to do this while the glue system is still hot, and you'll want to raise your beam as high as it'll go. Usually this is 60 millimeters. Once you have the beam raised all the way up, once your beam's raised all the way up, first thing you're going to want to do is come over to the front of the glue system. Every Holzer machine that's sold comes with two tools to help you clean your glue system. The brush, and then there's a scraper. You can take your scraper and just scrape any excess glue off the front of your glue system, and it should be nice and hot, so it'll be really easy. You can see I don't have very much there because I clean it every day. Then you can take your brush, and you always want to start to the left of the glue nozzle and brush to the right. So just come in here, and I'll brush to the right all the way up to the top of the glue nozzle. Just make sure that that's nice and clean and all of those grooves don't have any glue in them. After you're done with that, you can take your scraper again and come around to the other side of the machine. On this side of the machine, you can take your scraper. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get in here, but just scrape down the front of the glue system. You should be able to see there's a little bit of excess glue that might not have made it to a board. You can just scrape that down. Just keep it clean every day, and it'll run just the way you want it to. Down here, you may see that there's a little bit extra. Your machine does purge itself automatically whenever the glue gets hot. So you'll have a couple of strings down here under the glue system coming out of the purge port. And just be careful, it is hot, but you can just scrape those off of there and let them drop into your glue pan. And that's it for your daily cleaning of the glue station.